Welcome to Master Laser. Today we want to tell you how to use EzCad software. Double-click the EzCad 2X. Here is the main interface. System toolbar. System toolbar including File, Edit, Draw, Modify, View, Special, Laser, Help. In File, you can change the system parameter. In Laser, you can use extension functions such as rotate marking. View toolbar. You can find the most used function is in the view bar, such as open files, copy, paste, redo, undo, hatch. Command toolbar. Command toolbar includes mirror the objects, selection the objects. Object list. Object list is in the left side of the main interface. Users can rearrange the list by directly dragging the object up and down to change the marking order. Object property. Object property are displayed under the object list. You can change the object parameter, such as size, position and other parameter. Drawing toolbar. We can draw point, line, curve, text, QR code, and other objects. Marking area. In the middle is the marking area. Marking parameter. The right bar is for marking parameter. We can change the laser power, speed, marking count, marking control. Marking control is below the marking area. We can control the marking time. Start marking or stop. Working status. Working status is in the bottom right corner. If you need to know more details, check the video of Master Laser or the use manual. Create a text. Mark. Change the height of the lip pillar. Find the most powerful marking spot. Stop. First, we check the laser marking parameter and marking control. This is the pen number. The color doesn't mean the laser can mark different color. The color refers different parameter set. There are 256 different pen number, means 256 different laser power and speed choice. If you want to change the laser power and speed, do not choose use default parameter. Click the parameter color block. It will show the pen number here. Input Master Laser. Loop count means loop times to mark an object. The mark loop 1. It will only mark once. Let us make the mark loop 3. It will mark 3 times. Marking speed. Let us make marked speed 2000. Now to 1000. Then to 200. The speed makes marking result different. Try different marking speed when you mark. Power, if the marking speed is 1000. Let us see the difference of power. %, first. %, power. %, power. 99% power. Try to adjust the power with speed to find the perfect marking result. Frequency. The laser machine laser source frequency. If your laser machine is normal laser source, that doesn't need to change. If your laser machine is MOPA laser, when you need to mark different color on stainless steel, the frequency has to be changed. Let us see the marking control. Light. You can preview the marking position with red pointer, so you can change the workpiece position, or change the marking object size or any other thing. We can enlarge/narrow the master laser to fit the card size. We can also preview the marking loop details. Choose Show Contour. You can see the whole marking loop. Click here. Or you can press F2 to start mark. Continuous. Mark the objects repeatedly until we stop the mark. Mark. It won't stop until I stop the marking. Mark Select. When there are more than 2 different objects, and you don't need to mark them all. We add another text master laser O2. Change the size. If we don't choose Mark Select, it will mark both text. Choose Mark Select. It will mark Master Laser O2 only. Continue mode. Click Mark. It will red light automatically. Improve the efficiency. Let's talk about how to set hatch parameter. For one content, it can be hatched 3 times. See, there is hatch 1, hatch 2, hatch 3. Click the enable means we choose the hatch. No hatch now. Click enable of hatch 1, 2, 3, just one of 3. It can be hatch 1, it can be hatch 2, it can be hatch 3. The content will be hatched once. Click to enable of hatch 1, 2, 3, 2 of the 3 different hatch. The content will be hatched twice. Let's hash 2 and 3. It will hash twice. Click Enable of hash 1, 2, 3, all 3. The content will be hashed 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times. Let us see the details of each hash. All calculate. Normally we will click All calculate. If the computer calculate the marking loop, it will see master laser as an integrated content, not as MASTER or LASER, 11 different letters. We only hash once, so we undo hash 2 and 3. Click All calculate. It will mark entirely. Undo All calculate. It will mark separately. Follow edge once after finish the hash. The laser will follow the edge once. If we don't choose follow edge once, it will mark like this. Click follow edge once. There will be one more line around the master laser. Let's see the hash type. It means a hash line moving orbit. Let's see how it goes with a square. When we change the hash type, the hash bar will automatically lay in the left. Easy for us to see the result. Any direction, the hash lines will be marked from left to right. Bidirection, the hash lines will be marked from left to right, and then from right to left. We slow the marking speed, so it will be more clear. Ring like hatch, files objects from the outside to the inside like a ring. We can also reverse the marking direction, from the inside to the outside. Optimization two-way hatch. Similar with bidirection, but the end of each line connects. Normally, we will try every type to see which one has the better marking result. For example, we type master laser with ring-like hatch first. Now we change to optimization two-way hatch. With unidirection, see these three different marking results. You can choose what you like. Here is the angle of marking line. First we set it with 0 degree. All calculate. The laser will mark from left to right, horizontally. .45 degree. .90 degree. The laser will mark vertically. You can set for any other degree. Now we check pen number. We will see it with marking parameter. The color and pen number means different marking parameter. Black color, pen number 0, speed 1500, power 80%. Blue color, pen number 1, speed 1500, power 80%. Pen number 3, speed 500, power 80%. Red color. The parameter is default set. We can change it. We can change the pen number for each edge. That means each edge can have different power and marking speed. What does line distance means? That is the distance between marking line. We set it with 1 millimeter. It will mark quickly. We change the line distance to 0.3 millimeter. The marking will take more time. If the line distance is 0.01 millimeter, It will mark much slower with deeper marking. Average distribute line, like the name itself. Undo hatch. If you don't need hatch, click it. C. No hatch now, just signs. Other parameter is not often used. Check the use manual to learn more. You can download the manual or ask for it from our after-sales engineer. Click the line button. Click to start and right-click to finish. Set the line length. Click Apply. Fit to origin. Click the Draw Rectangle button. Draw a rectangle. Set the size and position as want. Click the Draw Circle button. Draw a circle and set the size. Click the Draw Polygon button. Set the edge number you want. Set size and position. Variable text is a disciplinary and dynamic text which can be customized during the operation. The text will change automatically. Choose Enable Variable Text. Click Add the text element including fixed text, serial number, date, time, tip IP communication, serial communication, file, keyboard, SQL database. Fixed text refers to the fixed and variable element in the operation process. It won't change during the marking. Input master laser. Serial number. The system will change the text according to the fixed increment when marking. Let us see how to make serial number. Start SN. The first serial number to be marked. Current SN. The serial number to be marked at present. Limit. The last number to be marked. When it comes to the limit, it will be back to start automatically. Increment. The increment of each marking. Marker. This indicates how many times every serial number is marked before changing to next. Mode. Dec. Decimal system. The effective character is from 0 to 9. Capital letter hex. Capital letter hexadecimal system. The effective character is from capital letter A to F. Small letter hex. Small letter hexadecimal system. The effective character is from small letter A to F. If we put start 0012, current 0012, limit 0022, increment 3, marks per 1. Let us see the result. The first marked number is 0012. And the number will change to 0015 automatically. Mark. The number will change to 0018. The master laser won't change. Delete master laser. Only see serial number 0018. (0021). It will go back to 0012 automatically. Click Modify. Let's change one of the parameter. See how everyone works. The current will change to the number we are marking now, which is 0015. Let us change start to 0000, and current is still 0012. Mark 0012, 0015, 0018, 0021. When it comes to 0021, it will go back to 0000. Modify. Change limit to 0024 and current 0012. Mark 0015, 0018, 0021, 0024, then go back to 0000. Change increment to 5 and current 0012. Mark 0012, 0017, 0022, and go 0. The increment is 5 every mark. Change marker to 2 and current 0012. It will go with 0012. 0012. 0017, 0017. Each number will be marked twice. Change marks per 3 and current number 1. Current 0012. Mark 0012. 0012. 0017. 0017. 0017. 0012 will be marked twice, then change to 0017. Current number mean 0012 has already been marked once. If each need to be marked 3 times, there is 2 times left to mark. But 0017 will be made 3 times. If we want to set time, and we need the date format is like 13:05 and 6 seconds at time, choose hour -24. Add fixed text. Input : add time. Choose minute. Add fixed text. Input colon. Add time. Choose second. See the time now. It is 11:55:58. Mark. Time will change automatically. The date set is the same. We don't show it here. If we want to mark the information in file, add text file. Choose the document. The first name Master Laser 01. It will go in the marking area. Mark. The second name Bailey is in the marking area now. Follow with Tom Hansen. We can also use keyboard to input the text. Add keyboard. Input Master Laser. Input Bailey. Input Tom Hansen. You can use keyboard to input text quickly. Other function is not often used. If you need to learn more, check the use manual or contact the after sales engineer. We will teach you online. How to make circular text. This requires draw a circular and draw a text. First, draw a circle. Put it in the marking area. Draw a text. Put the text on the edge of the circle. The text will fit the circle automatically. If the text is not fit in the circle, delete it. Repeat steps above. Input the marking text. Click the circle text parameter. Adjust the letter transform. Change it from normal to project. The shape of the letter changes. Back to normal shape. Apply. Change the text and circle base. The circle on the top of the text. Apply. The circle on the bottom of the text. Apply. The circle in the center of the text. Apply. The circle and the text in free position. Change the base angle, that is the angle of the start of the text with the X positive axis. Let us change it to 45 degrees. The N letter with the X positive axis degree is 45 degrees. 0 degree means the N letter start with the X positive axis. Let us try to put master laser in the center of the marking area. 90 Turkish new lira degrees first. then 120 degrees, still a little too right. 125 degrees. Not enough. Let us see 130 degrees. Seems okay now. Finally, we can change the text diameter to 100 millimeters. We are now changed the test diameter, not the circle we first draw. Because master laser is the chosen area, delete the circle we first draw. Mark. We can hatch the text. Mark. There are two ways to make a QR code. First, draw a text. Change the font to barcode font 34. Choose QR code. Apply. Enlarge. Input the QR code content. The website requires complete address with http://. Apply. Hatch. The QR code is made now. Delete it. Check second way. Draw a barcode. Choose QR code. Input the QR code content. Hatch. If we want to mark the QR code on a black material, we need to reverse the hatch area. Click the QR code parameter. Choose BW reverse. If you want to change the edge of the QR code, change the point number. Let us try number 5. The edge is thicker. Let us change it to point number equals 1. Adjust the size. Mark. We use phone to check the marking result. It will lead to Master Laser website. Find laser. Choose super ruler. First, there are 4 different elements. Line, that is the scale of the ruler. Value, the scale value of the ruler. Text, vector file. Let us check line first. Graduation number, the number of the scale. Let us input 1. Enlarge. There is a line in the middle of the quadrant. Edit. Input 3. There is no change. Edit. Let us change the increment pos to 1. Actually, there are 3 lanes. If the increment pos is 0, the lines are overlapping. Go back to start graduation. Input 2. The first line moves right, and all the 3 lines move right 2 millimeters. Input 5. All the lines move right 5 millimeters. Input -10. All the lines move left 10 units. Input 0. Put the first line origin. In ruler parameter, 1 degree means 1 millimeter. Change increment to 3. The distance between the lines becomes 3 millimeters. Change line width to 1. The width of the line will become 1 millimeter. We can vector the line. We change the start point and end point. The start point is the bottom of the line position. The end point is the top of the line position. Start point. X equals 1. The line will tilt like this. Set end point X equals 1. The line will go straight. If the start point Y equals 2, end point Y equals 5, the length of the line is 3 millimeters. If the start point Y equals 5, end point Y equals 10, the line will get longer and higher. Let us see how to make the ruler follow the ruler right on the screen. First, we disintegrate the ruler. First, we set the 2 black start bars. The graduation number equals 2. Start graduation equals -10. Increment pos equals 20. Start point. X equals 0. Y equals 0. End point. X equals 0, Y equals 7. Second, we set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corresponding scale. Left upper 5 lines. The graduation number equals 5. Start graduation equals -60. Increment pos equals 10. Start point. X equals 0. Y equals 5. End point. X equals 0, Y equals 7. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choose value. The graduation number is 5. Start graduation is equals -20. Increment pos equals -10. Start value equals 1 incorporated. Value equals 1. Start point. X equals 0. Y equals 2. Insert text GIM. Choose text. Input GIM. Text height equals 4. Text width equals 2. Graduation number equals 1. Start graduation minus 3. Start point. X equals 0. Y equals 2. Mark. Fine laser. Power ruler. This is the rotate work table. Fixture the ring. Adjust the rotate place. Light. Make sure the center of rotate table and working area is the same. The red cross origin in the middle of the ring. If you need to mark the same parts, repeat. Fix the rotate table position. Input all the ring ruler information. Change the parameter. Choose ring ruler. Measure the diameter of the ring. Input 25 millimeters. Add line. Graduation number equals 6. Increment position equals 60 degree. Endpoint Y equals 4. Add line. Graduation number equals 60. Increment position equals 6 degree. Endpoint Y equals 2. Add value. Graduation number equals 6. Increment position equals 60 degree. Increase value equals 60. Start point Y equals 4. Text height equals 2. Hatch. Line distance equals 0.1 light. Mark. When the marking finished, the rotate table will go back to the start position. Unchoose Go to Start Position after Finisher. Mark. The rotate table will stop after finished marking. Input text. Master. Hatch. Open laser. Fine ring text marking. Input the ring information. Input ring diameter equals 23 millimeters. Height 8 millimeters. Length 3.14 times 23/2 equals 36.11. Refresh. F5 quit. The marking area is now shrink to a long bar. Put the text in the ring marking area. Put the text in the origin. Open ring text marking. Fix the ring to the rotate table. Light. Mark. The rotate table will rotate clockwise, so the marking is from right to left. Open parameter. Choose invert. Light. Find the marking position. Mark. The ring will rotate counterclockwise. The marking will be left to ring. Change the position of the ring. Choose the axis steps 10. Click right. The ring will rotate a long distance. Change the axis steps 1. Click right. The ring will rotate a small distance. Open parameter. Change the gear ratio from 3 to 6. Light. Mark. The distance of each letter is bigger. If you want to mark inside of the ring, the parameter setting is the same.